Hello, and welcome to a demonstration of Intake Management by ConvergentIS, built on and extending Business Technology Platform, WorkZone, and the Business Network. The Intake Management solution by ConvergentIS provides a single point of engagement for all procurement requests for data, processes, and applications. In particular, let's discuss the casual user. Our model here is the Google search bar approach. Users would encounter only simple questions that would hand-hold them through the procurement process. The Buyer Action and Message Center provides up-to-the-minute information for users about all of their procurement requests. For the casual user, our approach would be to provide an Amazon-like experience, and so an individual would want to know whether their purchase requisition was approved and whether their order has been processed, shipped, or delivered. So the Action Center will provide them that kind of high-level information across all of their requests, and the Message Center will give them detailed information per event for each request. All of these messages can be configured so that they go directly via email to their mobile device or simply show up on their home page. For the more experienced user, a richer and more detailed interface is available. In particular, it would have the Action and Message Center as before, as well as analytics to give them insights into the procurement landscape, projects, requests, etc. And finally, an application launchpad through which they can go to specific apps or full applications. For the Action Center and Messaging Center, the categories can be much more detailed. For example, imagine someone in the procurement department who needs to know whether their orders are pending with a change request from a particular vendor. Maybe they can't deliver on time, or maybe they can't deliver the right quantity. Now let's discuss how the request would be routed to the correct endpoint using a guided approach and simple questions with our guided process engine. Unlock complex policy, process, and compliance-based tasks for all users by providing step-by-step guidance with embedded controls, visual cues, and built-in functions to ensure that all required information is captured. A low-code, no-code environment allows business users to directly change business processes themselves. The guided process engine would then drop off the user at the right endpoint. Here's an example of a user querying for a desk through an action tile on WorkZone, and then being dropped off at guided buying on Ariba in order to be able to see the results. For full tracking and reporting, we offer Procurement Analytics that is complementary to SAP Ariba Spend Analysis. They are based on and extend SAP Next-Gen UX and are 50+ pre-built and interactive graphs that display information from all of SAP's procurement portfolio. Note that we can perform the analytics either in snapshot mode or in real time if OData is available. Reports span across end-to-end procurement for 7 different categories of information. All of the graphs are actually hot links, which means that they link directly back to the original documents, whether they be on Ariba, S/4HANA, or Fieldglass. Furthermore, many of the graphs are actually based on SAC stories, which means that they are fully interactive. They can be filtered down to just a single user, for example, and you can do multiple levels of deep dives on the data. To learn more about intake management by ConvergentIS, please visit our website.